Hey guys, Sean Murphy here with Compass. I want to show you my newest rental in Hingham, 34 Cliff Road, 3-bedroom, 2-bath home right on the water. Unbelievable spot, community beach right behind me, but you are right on the water here in Hingham. An incredible rental property available immediately. Let's go check it out. Now, right as we step foot into the house, you got a little custom mudroom area with some cabinets, the laundry room, but then this open floor plan on this first floor here, guys. Check out this custom kitchen. Everything they've done to this house has been all about these water views. You'll see the mini split that's right on the wall there that air conditions the whole first floor. But look at the views. No matter where you are in this house, you've got views of the water. Here's the living room area, fully functional gas fireplace, which is surrounded by some custom cabinetry, some shelving, and a place to mount your TV. And then look at these window seats. What a spot to take a nap. And then as we walk into the back part of the house, guys, we got a back deck as well. Perfect for putting your grill out there. You can put a table out there, enjoy some outdoor meals. Another view of the living room, into the kitchen, some custom cabinetry, and then we're gonna check out the full bathroom that is downstairs. Right across the hall is the 3rd bedroom, could be used as a nursery, a guest room, an office for somebody that works from home. Many options here. But as we head upstairs, there are 2 bedrooms, a full bath upstairs. This bathroom just got brand new tiles, brand new vanity, and it's got a shower tub combo, perfect for young families. And then we're gonna check out the master bedroom here, guys. Again, the views, no matter where you are in this house, the views are incredible. Upstairs, there are 2 window units, one for each bedroom to cool down during those couple weeks in the summer. But this master bedroom, guys, got its own private deck. Check this out. I mean, there's nothing to even say about this. It's gorgeous. The views are incredible. And FYI, this is about, close to low tide right here. So as the tide comes in a little bit, the views are even better. Another view of the master bedroom. And then we're going to head down the hallway, check out the closets on the right. Ton of closet space in this house. And then this is the 2nd bedroom on the 2nd floor. Huge bedroom, could easily fit 2 single beds, could fit a king bed. But once again, it's all about these views. You're not going to find something like this for this price point in Hingham as a single family home to rent. Another view of the bedroom here. And then we're going to show you that front deck one more time outside the house into the front yard. Guys, any questions, you want to schedule a tour, contact info is below. Shoot me a message.